Welcome to Forging My Way. Today I'm going to show you a quick video about how to break a large file into smaller files that will fit into your Glowforge. Now this file that you see here is a complete random bunch of shapes to demonstrate what we're going to do. It doesn't actually make anything, but you'll see how this works. So this is our large file, and a lot of material that I purchased is 12 by 20 inches. So that's what I've decided to make my artboard, and I've made 4 of them. So we're going to take this large file and make it into 4 smaller files. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just start taking shapes and fitting them into the other boards. What I'm going to do first is always start with the bigger pieces. Okay. And I'm just cutting and pasting whatever I can fit together. So I may be able to fit this piece into that last piece, so we'll give it a try. And it's just trial and error, and you can fit it however you want. If you it's just a little bit too small, so we have a couple options. We could either move like one of these orange pieces, or we could move the red. I'll just move the red, and we'll see. It's not going to fit there, so we'll just go ahead and put that in another. We need to move this one just a tad, and I'm gonna. So there we go. I try to move things as tight together as possible so we have less waste. But for this demonstration, I think that's probably good enough. Now we have these smaller files that we've moved all of the pieces over. It reminds me a little bit of a sewing pattern. So you take all the pieces and you fit it onto the material, just like you would with sewing. And now we will save all of our files. And there you go. I will close this and not save it because I want to have my original file. Thanks for joining, and please check out my blog, forgingmyway.com.